My name is Teasha, but I go by TT, and this is my last lecture. While attending Butler Traditional High School, I've made plenty of friends, enemies, good experiences, and bad experiences. If there was one thing I could go back and change, it would be managing my time. Managing school, a social life, and work was very hard for me because I always ended up abandoning one or maybe two, which was always schoolwork or my job. One thing I've learned from high school is that you can learn from other people's mistakes even if you also made your own. Focus on you and everything you want to achieve in your future and never let anybody tell you otherwise. Live in a moment because high school only comes once for 4 years. You will make friends and lose some. It is not a guarantee by senior year you will be with the same group of friends as you did freshman year. Leaving Butler, I can say I have a select few who I'm glad to be graduating with. Surprisingly, I will not miss attending Butler for 5 days a week. By the time I graduate, I will be enlisted into the Army. I will be back in time for fall semester, which I hopefully, more likely, will be attending IUS Southeast. I will be majoring in sociology and psychology. I plan on studying the brain on the side just for fun. Within 5 years, I will move to California to do my 2 years of pre-med, more likely where I will live the rest of my days. Soon, I will have a shop, buy a ranch, and work with veterans with PTSD and also kids that are autistic. My ranch will be hands-on, a place where they can stay active, interact with people and animals. I do not plan on changing my major. My passion is helping others, so I plan on pursuing it. Now being 18 and close to graduating, I'm impatient to accomplish many more dreams and goals that I've set for myself and my future family. One quote that I've lived by is quoted by Steve Jobs. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living in someone else's life. Don't be trapped by drama, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Don't let the noises of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. Thanks for watching my last lecture. Sincerely, a classmate of 2018. Teasha, aka TT Mitchell.